Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make this great holiday door swag with a patriotic theme. So let's get started. So I'm going to get started really quickly. And the first thing that I'm going to do is grab my Bowdabra. For those of you not familiar with the Bowdabra, right here there are springs underneath. So it's going to automatically adjust to what I put into it. And then we have our Bowdabra Bow Wire, which is a special wire made specifically for the Bowdabra. And you'll love it because you can cut it with scissors, but it's also a wire. So I'm going to get started, take my wire, and basically what I do is take a piece long enough that I can fold it in half. Then I'm just going to lay it down into my Bowdabra, tuck the ends underneath, and get it out of the way. So we'll go to the overhead camera. So you can now see what we're doing here. And hi Connie, who's watching from Pennsylvania. So the first thing that I'm going to do is take my 21-inch wide mesh ribbon, and I've got about 2 yards of it here. And I'm going to just roll it up so that the frayed ends won't show. And I'm just going to scrunch it into my Bowdabra. This is our Scrunchie Bow Technique. So all I'm doing is just going down the center and scrunching it all into my Bowdabra. So it makes almost like a big flower. And I love this technique. So super, super simple to make. So hi Karen. And now what I'm going to do is just again roll it at the end and just scrunch this all into my Bowdabra. And now I'll take my Bowdabra wand, give everything a good push, and we'll move on to our next. So what I've done to make this kind of a holiday bow, as well as a patriotic bow, is I've got some great tails, and then we're gonna put ornaments in it to make it more holiday. And there's no reason you can't do a patriotic tree, which I think would be so pretty. And just take this here, but this is going to be like a door swag, or you could even use it as a centerpiece. And we're just going to take our great Bowdabra burlap ribbon and lay this down in here. And I love how the burlap comes in the red, white, and blue colors. Just lay that down there. Grab my red burlap and my stars and stripes ribbon. Lay this down in here. I'm going to give everything a good push down with my Bowdabra wand again. And definitely let us know where you're watching from. And at the end of the show, at the end of the live, we will pick someone who will win a roll of our Bowdabra scrunchie ribbon. So now what we're going to do, and I'll show you what the scrunchie ribbon is in a minute if you're not familiar with it. And we're just going to fold and twist. And just going to fold it. And the reason that I twist it is so that way, I'll just twist it before I put it in, that way the wrong side or the ugly side of the ribbon is on the inside of my loops. So we're just going to fold it back over here. We've got a lot of ribbon in this bow, so fold it back over here. And actually I'm just going to leave a tail there. And then I'm going to take my ornaments, which we basically tied together using the Bowdabra bow wire, and grab my wand for one more good little push down here. Let's give everything a good scrunch. And I'm going to hold it in here because, as you guys know, the mesh likes to pop itself up. So we'll go through here, pull this really tight while it's still in the Bowdabra, And now, because I've pulled it all tight together, I can pull it out. And you can see how much stuff is in there. It's a pretty thick bow. And now I'm going to separate my ends, bring it around to the back. And all I'm going to do here, and this is what I love about the Bowdabra Bow Wire, is I'm just going to tie a knot and double knot it. Actually, I'll triple knot it. And then I'm going to just shape everything out here. So how many of you actually have a Bowdabra, or are you watching for the first time? Let me know if you're watching for the first time, and also let me know what your favorite projects are to make with the Bowdabra. So now we'll come back to the front facing camera. And now you have this beautiful door swag. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel.